नमस्कार। आज है हम विश्व पुस्तक मेले के आखिरी दिन में और आज इस अंतिम क्षण में भी हमारे साथ एक ऑथर है और उस ऑथर का नाम है रश्मि तिवारी मैम, जिनकी 2 किताबें आज हमारे स्टॉल पे लगी हुई हैं। पहली जो किताब आप देख पा रहे हैं ये बीनेथ द स्काई है और आप दूसरी जो देख पा रहे हैं स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ यूफोरिया है। तो आप देख पा रहे हो कि ये 2 बुक्स हमारे सामने है। तो मैम ये जो दोनों बुक्स हैं इनके टाइटल्स जब आप डिसाइड कर रहे हैं तो देन यही टाइटल्स क्यों?
Well, first of all, I would like to tell you congratulations.
Yeah,
because
thank you, ma'am.
yes, after succeeding, and also it's been I think today is the last day, and I'm seriously I'm very happy. I'm overwhelmed that I am also witnessing your successful of this SGSS publications. So for that, really from my core of heart, congratulations to you.
ओके मैम, आपको भी बहुत बहुत कांग्रेचुलेशन।
Yes, I'm going to tell about this spectrum of euphoria first.
Yes.
Because here two words are there. One is spectrum and another one is euphoria.
Yes.
And spectrum here states and also different like terms and different parameters and different varieties. And of course, euphoria means the extreme level of happiness or the positivity. When one glass is half full and half empty,
Yes.
so we can say that it's a full, not full, but half positive and half full glass. So here, all the 50 poems are actually dedicated to that positiveness in our life. Despite of having so many negativity, we think about negative aspects of life. We never focus on the positivity and euphoria that we can get from the entire life.
So basically, this is a self-help book. And
Yes. Spectrum of euphoria means the shades of happiness.
Shades of happiness.
Yes.
And
Shades of happiness.
what is the story behind this title, Beneath the Sky?
Beneath the sky means here I like to focus on the this subtitle first. A literary journey from my fourth year to abroad. That is
Yes.
what the subtitle. And here I am trying to focus my traveling experiences.
Yes.
How I have been gone through the traveling experiences from a small, cottage. My house is really, kind of very small house in Odisha.
Yes.
From that small house, I had a dream to touch the sky, kind of, dream. So
Yes.
I have gone through so many countries now. So that's why
Previous day
yes,
I had seen your
yes.
status and all over things.
Yeah.
You visit like
Going abroad is very
Yes.
easy thing. If you have money, if you have monetary standard, you have strength, then you can go any country very easily. It's
Easily.
not a big deal now. But that experiences with such feelings that I can't go anywhere except Rourkela and small city. That was the negativity inside me, and I have sprouted that positiveness inside me, and I have gone through so many countries nowadays.
knowledge by travel.
Yes.
Yes.
UAE, and also
In such case,
yes.
experience are
South
far
Asia.
better than any
Yes, that
theoretical.
feelings has,
Yes.
actually the feelings has really given me so many things rather than wealth or rather than the happiness of going to abroad. Going abroad is not a big deal, but the happiness that I have converted into negative into positivity.
Yes.
That things I did myself. I did by myself and by the positiveness only. So that's why this
That's
book
great.
is actually full of experiences, and those who think that they can't go beyond the world, beyond that stipulated time management and issue and daily routine, they think that I can go outside. I can go beyond this small city. For them, it will be very inspirational and very motivational book.
Yes, also you can see some artwork on their
Yes,
pages.
yes.
This is so amazing and
Yes.
after all मैं इसका स्पॉइलर नहीं दे सकता एंड देन इस बुक्स में और क्या है ज्यादा तो हम नहीं बात, उसके लिए आपको किताब खरीदनी पड़ेगी।
Yes.
एंड देन हम ये भी देख सकते हैं कि हाँ अगर आप घूम रहे हैं तो जरूरी नहीं आप विदेश घूमे, आप दिल्ली भी घूम सकते हैं। दिल्ली में जो विश्व पुस्तक मेला आप उसको भी घूम सकते हैं।
यस।
और हॉल नंबर 6 घूमेंगे तो आपको स्टॉल नंबर 45 भी आप घूम सकते हैं और वो घूमते घूमते आपको ये किताब मिल जाएगी। तो जस्ट थोड़ा सा अगर आप घूमेंगे तो ये बुक आपको मिल जाएंगी।
एंड
यस,
मेनी मोर थिंग्स आर देयर एक्चुअली।
एक्सपीरियंस के साथ या थ्योरी भी थोड़ी सी जरूरी है।
Yes, yes.
क्योंकि ये जो थ्योरी है एक्सपीरियंस के बाद ही आई है ये थ्योरी।
Yes. Cultural aspects, and
Yes.
also their cuisine, their lifestyle, and what is the history of that particular country or particular state, particular area, why the topographical, geographical terms are like that. why they have been implemented. So many things I have been mentioned there.
यस सो आप आइए और
Particularly
ये
and
बुक
socially,
पढ़िए
yes.
एंड देन
It's
अभी
beneficial for them.
आगे आगे जो है आपको इसमें लगता है कि हाँ आप इसको और कंटिन्यू करेंगे या फिर सम टाइप ऑफ वॉल्यूम 1 वॉल्यूम 2 या फिर पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 दिस
Definitely,
काइंड्स ऑफ
definitely. If
Yes.
my
It's not
willingness-
necessary that
हाँ,
volume 1 volume 2
Yes.
we can also by different title
हाँ,
with
हाँ,
same concept.
concept.
Yes.
Definitely, I'll go through that, and I'll try to maximize this book with my different kind of experiences go through, because I
That's
have not
great,
gone the whole world.
Yes.
But this is my kind of willingness and my aim to reach out so many people, so many people's lifestyle, their cuisine, their art and culture, and more than
You can
that,
also
more
say
than
that.
more than that, the literature aspects
Yes.
of that particular country.
You can also say that those
Yes.
small places are your whole world because they give
yes.
you
Yes,
much more than
global
experience
village.
and
We are staying in a
yes.
global village. So if I'll get a chance, I'll definitely visit them.
Okay.
And I'll take some benefit and take some
Okay.
positivity from there, and I'll put it inside.
One
the
last
book.
and most important point, that is give some feedback about SGS's publication
SGSS.
and your experiences with us.
As the spread happiness, spread goodness, spread goodness and spread happiness. It itself, it is saying so many things, and I believe that we should trust, and trust matters here. As far as I have, this is my, I think these are my four books.
Fourth
right?
book,
Four
yes,
books,
yes.
I have already. And apart
One
from-
anthology.
Anthology is there. That
Yes.
is
Christmas Miracle.
Christmas Miracle.
Yes.
Yes. So
And one also is Iran Turkmenistan relations.
yes.
Yes.
Yes, and
Is
also
there here?
Iran, Central Asia, political and economic aspects.
Yes.
That books also there.
There are four
Yes,
books.
there are 4 books, and Iran, Central Asia. Actually, my PhD topic. It was my PhD topic.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, it was my PhD research work, and Central Asia also my MPhil thesis.
Okay.
MPhil work. I have done that MPhil for 2 years, and I have given that gist, that summary, the crux of 2 years long, 2 years works into that book. And also Turkmenistan and Iran relations, especially cultural, political and economic aspects. That also my PhD thesis.
Okay.
And I have given 5 years, more than 5 years in fact. That is also there as a format of book. And
Okay.
here also, and SGSS is very trustworthy. That's why this is the actually proof.
This
Proof
is
of
small
that.
word is sufficient for us.
Yes,
That
this is the proof, and I'll continue.
trustworthy is
I'll
the
continue.
best
Yes, I'll
compliment for
continue
us.
my work with you. That is the result. That is the consequence of my trust. That's
थैंक यू
it.
सो मच मैम। तो जितने लोग भी आप देख रहे हैं या फिर जितने लोग देख पा रहे हैं, अगर आज तो अंतिम दिन है, अगली बार मिलेंगे तो उसके लिए आप हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल को फॉलो कर ले, जिससे आपको पता चल सके कि हाँ हमारा स्टॉल नंबर एंड हॉल नंबर क्या रहने वाला है अगले साल। और बाकी अभी के लिए अगर आपको ये किताब पढ़नी है तो Amazon एंड Flipkart पे ये अवेलेबल है।
Available,
SGSS पब्लिकेशंस की वेबसाइट पे भी अवेलेबल है, आप वहां से परचेस कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, मिलते हैं हम
And
फिर
thank
किसी
you,
अगले
thank you
कड़ी में।
SGSS, and thank you all the team.
No
for-
need, ma'am. It's our duty.
It's really, I'm
Okay.
feeling very glad all the way I'm coming from Mumbai because
Yes.
of this trust.
Okay.
Because of this trust.